jeez. Okay, let's find this right now. Where is this thing? Come on. Up on this bad boy. Bam! We're gonna need this to be safe. For a ladder, well, that's a small one. Time to be safe. This is the soffit. It's underneath the roof, right at the edge. Good old Husky C-clamp and a Husky moving storage strap. Tighten up to the soffit. What is this thing called? Doesn't matter. Have it right there, and then put this strap to the rung of the ladder. Usually you want to do it at an angle. You don't want to do the one above, you want to do the one below, because if it slips and it starts to fall out, this is just going to go until it gets to here. And that's a safe ladder. And now I can safely get on this roof to clean solar panels. Yay!